Well, it's always a special day when you get to ride the 777 Denver to Chicago. And today we're at the first boarding door, which means we are up front. Let's take a look around. I'll see how much of the cabin I'm able to show you before it gets super crowded. Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, how are you today? Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So today we're in seat 1K. Actually, I kind of like that seat 1K for a 1K. That's pretty cool. You'll notice these are backward facing. Seats 2 L and K are forward facing. 3 L and K are backward facing. 4 L and K are forward facing. Now, what's interesting in this particular cabin layout, this is row 3, the E, F, and G, all forward facing all together. Great for a family, of course. Row 2, G, F, E, and D, backward facing. And row 1, all forward facing, G, F, and D. Now, we'll just take a look over here at 1A and B are similar to what we have. 2 B and A are forward facing, 1 A and B are backward. 3 are backward facing. Now this is a 777, which is great, and especially for this kind of route, I'm thrilled. This is the best kind of equipment you're going to get. To show you around a little bit. The bins are a little bit older. This is a plane. United was actually one of the inaugural customers for the 777, and I believe this was actually one of the configurations used by Continental before the acquisition. So it's a little bit older seat product. It isn't always quite as popular, but this gives you an idea of what the cabin is laid out like and how you might consider your seating choices when you fly on this particular equipment. So it does actually have, I don't know if it's on yet. Yes, of course. It does have the full audio here, and super fun. So I hope you like it, and I'll share a little bit more about the seat later. Thanks. So this is Takeoff going backwards. It's probably the only time that you'll actually notice that in fact we are flying backwards. It's kind of fun actually. It's following us. Otherwise all good. So I think that's pretty cool actually.